Luigi Mangione's ongoing legal case has become a focal point for debate, following his arrest in connection with the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson on December 4 in Manhattan. Despite the gravity of the incident, Mangione's most serious charge remains second-degree murder, which has raised questions about why first-degree murder wasn't applied. Legal experts suggest the distinction lies in New York's narrowly defined criteria for first-degree charges, such as intent to commit terrorism or murder for hire. Authorities allege Mangione used a 3D printed gun to execute the crime, linking him to shell casings at the scene and further evidence, including a manifesto expressing animosity toward corporate America. While the document lacked explicit threats, its tone suggests deep anger at the health insurance industry. Mangione was found in Pennsylvania with a firearm, a fake ID, and other incriminating materials, fueling speculation about whether he intended further acts of violence. This element has left room for prosecutors to potentially upgrade charges if they can prove a broader intent to target corporate executives, which could qualify as terrorism under state law. The case has garnered public attention for several reasons. Some sympathizers have rallied to fund Mangione's legal defense, viewing his actions as a misguided outcry against corporate greed. At the same time, executives across industries express concern over the precedent this sets, fearing potential copycat incidents. The NYPD has warned of increased threats against high-profile corporate leaders, reflecting a larger societal tension regarding economic disparity and corporate practices. Currently, Mangione's defense team is pushing back, with his lawyer suggesting his innocence and questioning the evidence against him. Meanwhile, Mangione's extradition from Pennsylvania to New York is being contested, adding procedural complexity. As investigators gather forensic data and examine his background, the case against Mangione continues to unfold, with prosecutors and legal analysts closely monitoring whether terrorism charges will emerge. If convicted of second-degree murder, Mangione faces 15 years to life in prison. A first-degree charge would significantly increase the stakes, carrying harsher penalties, including mandatory life imprisonment, or the possibility of federal involvement. This case highlights not only legal intricacies, but also broader societal frustrations, cementing it as one of the year's most polarizing criminal trials. Stay subscribed for more videos.